Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jay. It's been a little while since I've posted a video. I wanted to tell you kind of what's going on, tell you kind of what I've done different. I am actually filming this in my house. We have a home office that we do some work out of, so that's where I'm at filming this today. And I wanted to tell you, I've been really busy here lately with some laser engraving. I purchased a Glowforge. That's what's right here. I'll open the lid so you can see it. Okay, this is the Glowforge. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can load wood, other materials, leather, all sorts of things you can load into this laser and engrave stuff on it. And I actually wanted to show you just a few samples of some of the stuff that I've been working on and let you kind of see it. I've had this now for about 2 months and it's been awesome. It's been a great addition to my business. The photography side of my business was pretty slow this year, of course, with all the COVID stuff going on. So I decided to purchase one of these Glowforge lasers and it has been a great addition. So yeah, let me just show you a few of the things that I have been doing, I've been working on, and see what you think about them. First off, I'll show you this little YouTube plaque that I made myself, just kind of awarding me for surpassing 50,000 subscribers on this channel. This is just a little acrylic award. It kind of stands up on its own. It's kind of cool. This is just something that I made for myself, and I've actually made a few for some other people as well. One of our biggest sellers is this right here. This is when we take a handwritten recipe and we convert it and we engrave it onto a cutting board. And these are really popular. They make great gifts, and we have done several of these handwritten recipes on cutting boards. We also do several keychains, either in wood or acrylic. These are pretty cool. We've done these with business logos and such, or we've just done names. So they've also been a pretty good hit. Photo engraves. This is actually a photo I took of my grandmother, who actually just turned 99, by the way. And this is something that I engraved. This is actually on 1/8" birch. And the photo engraves look really, really cool, especially if you have a high resolution photo to work with. The thing that we done the most of in August was pencils. Yeah, these are personalized pencils. We laser engraved the name of the kid on there, and this works great, especially now trying to keep all their pencils and stuff separate. But yeah, we have done several, I think 1,500 of these pencils just in August. So yeah, these were awesome. This is something that I actually just finished a few days ago. This is a custom recipe box. I guess you could use it for addresses or anything else that you wanted to, but it's actually got a wooden hinge. Everything is completely all wood here. This is sable wood that I've oiled with mineral oil, and of course we laser engraved the top to give it a little personalized touch there. But these are pretty awesome. It took a little bit of work to actually put this all together, but this was cut out, engraved, everything right there on the Glowforge, and I didn't have to use any other saw, anything, just simply the Glowforge, and then I actually glued and assembled all of this together. It's pretty neat. These kitchen conversion charts are pretty cool. It kind of help you. You can hang this up in your kitchen or put it on an easel or something. It'll just give you all the measurements and how to convert them. And yeah, we've sold a few of these. These are pretty awesome as well. Drumsticks. We actually get these drumsticks and personalize these with whatever name or whatever message that you might want on the handle. And yeah, my son really liked these. He's the drummer. I actually play drums, so the drumsticks was kind of a fun little idea. They've went over well, and sold several drumsticks. This is something just pretty cool. I think it's neat for gifts to give away to people. People use them. Some people just display them. I even built a little display rack that you can put the drumsticks on. And but yeah, drumsticks are pretty cool. I've just got a few more things to show you, then I'll let you go. This is actually a little thing that you can hang on your wall to hang masks on, whether they're clean or dirty. We all know that the masks have been a thing this year, so yeah, you can just hang it on these little hooks, hang this beside your door, and then have your mask on it that you can easily grab or easily hang up when you get home. We're doing some custom watch bands to fit Apple watches, and we can engrave names or different things on some bands. We have a few of these colors that we have available. We're just getting started with these. I think they're going to be a pretty cool little thing that we can do. We can customize them several different ways, so this is pretty awesome. I've done a lot of other things, but I'll just end with one more item. This is something that I come up with. This is for hair bows. You can actually clip hair bows on these little strings. You can hang a little scrunchie or something on this little hook, and then we personalize it with a name up there. And yeah, I think it's pretty neat. It's something that I had seen some pictures of something similar, and then I come up with this design, and this works well. I've done a few of these for some people in our church, and they love them. So yeah, this is just some of the stuff that we have done since we've got the Glowforge, and it's really pretty awesome how easy it is to use. And you just design this stuff up in Adobe Illustrator, or you can use like Silhouette Design, and then you just send it over to the Glowforge and cut it. If you would be interested in seeing some more videos about how I actually make some of these products, then let me know. I'll make a video on one of these products. Just drop me a comment down below, tell me kind of what you would like to see made. We can do pretty much all kinds of things. I mean, we're not limited. I've done all kinds of keychains and magnets, name badges that you can actually that have a little magnetic closure that you can put on your clothes there. And some of this stuff I just don't have here right now to show you. I'll drop some pictures on here that you can probably see. But yeah, I think it's just neat. We've had a lot of fun doing this. I've been really busy with it. Actually already had some people coming by picking up some stuff today. So yeah, this is just some of the stuff that I have been working on the past couple months. I've been really busy at it. We actually have our own little brand of this called Malone Custom Designs. You can follow us on Instagram. You can follow us on Facebook, where we post a lot of our new products that we come up with, and you can get a hold of us there if you're interested in something like this. But yeah, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know if you want to see some videos on how I actually use this and how I make these products, and I'll see if I can't make something for you. I hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.